Hey, it's Eric here at Peachtree Classic Cars, and we've got a Peachtree Classic Cars first. This is a 2015 Factory 5 Shelby Cobra replica, and it's absolutely beautiful. Titled as a 2015. I think they actually completed the build late 2015, 2016. And the awesome thing is, this is coming from a collector who drives his cars. So it was exciting when I saw the odometer has almost 16,000 miles on it. That means it's been on the road and running and driving until some medical issues made him have to stop driving his collectors. So this is kind of coming out of an estate, elderly estate, garage parked and kept, and just absolutely beautiful, almost flawless, and yeah, joy to drive. So anyways, we got a book in the back full of all of the receipts. The body is arrow straight on this car, and it is basically, it looks like it just came out of the paint shop. I mean, it is really, really pretty. There are a couple of tiny little spots, and actually I'm surprised that we just had it detailed. I'm surprised the guys didn't catch that. Little McGuire's buffing compound, and that little scuff right there will come off for sure. But I mean, this really looks like, body wise, it is so sleek and straight. The only spot on the whole paint job, just about the size of my thumb there, you'll see is that one little spider crack. And if you know these vehicles, the fiberglass does that. It's a super bummer. The good thing is, white's really easy to touch up, and that'd be a super, super easy touch-up spot. The rest of the blue on the car is stunning, and I think that that's the only paint flaw that I can think of. The doors open and close so easily. And this is still like, to me, this feels basically like a brand new car. I mean, it's 8 years old. Beautiful dash. All the gauges work. Horn works. It's got radio. Speakers back here. Racing seat belts. We've got those tucked back because we're just cruising around with the regular seat belts.
Georgia's biggest variety of hits.
Turn that back off. It's got a little glove box. Beautiful Factory 5 steering wheel. And so, upholstery flaw, this is the only one. Just that little tear in the emergency brake, and actually as you let it off, you don't even notice it sitting there. Being really, really picky about just all the any tiny little thing I could mention. But honestly, on the upholstery in the interior, that's it. It's like I said, this feels like almost a brand new car. Almost a brand new car. The hood opens easily. Got the keys for it too to lock it. And then I love it's got these springs. They actually load up and raise up on their own. 5.0 V8 power steering. It's all aluminum under here, steel frame. Cold air intake. Just really nicely done. Cobra valve covers. This is just a beautiful, beautiful. I like it when, to me, I feel like this is the kind of car you can take to a car show, and you're gonna have one of the nicer cars at the car show. This is a beautiful, beautiful vehicle. Driver's side door opens and closes easily. I had the camera facing there. Little door panels are in great shape. The leather, State of Ohio reissued assignment serial number. I also have the floor mat to go in here that matches the floor mat that's on this side. In the trunk right now, it was bunching up a little bit under the clutch, and when you're driving, especially a sports car like this, you don't want something under your feet. Underneath the license plate holder is the handle there, and just a very simple trunk. There's the other Factory 5 mat. Also, the Factory 5 assembly manual for the MK4 Roadster, Mark IV Roadster, and then a folder full of receipts upon receipts of every single thing that's been done to this car or bought for it. Thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars of all the parts for building the vehicle. It's got a little prop rod back here that holds it up. I'm in love with this car. This is the first time I've ever even driven one. 14 years of classic automobiles and we've never had a Cobra in the shop. Underneath the car is just unbelievable. Of course, like I said, looks like a new car. Shiny frame. I mean, everything still looks new. It's only got 15,000 miles on it. Now, if it was me, I'd probably get a little high heat paint for this exhaust and just touch that up. A real easy thing to do. Hit it with some scuffs and some sandpaper. That's actually, funny thing is, that'd be a easy do-it-yourselfer job. The high heat ceramic paint, even the rattle can high heat ceramic paint, the expensive stuff, it's expensive, but it's worth it. The undercarriage, by the way, here is what I was showing. Absolutely beautiful. Fuel cell. Disc brakes. I mean, this is gorgeous. Beautiful. My battery light is flashing at me and I did not want to have to do this, but I'm going to take a separate video of us driving. I may real quick go ahead and give it a quick crank while I'm here. So at least in this video, I'll do a little walk around. And of course the keys are in my pocket. Ugh. Get back out. What I love too is they did the old Ford key on that, which is really cool. Although it's the same exact key as an old Mustang or a Galaxy. Everything comes on, we turn the key. Alright, well, we're going to go take it for a drive, look for the other video, and give us a call. We're at peachtree classic cars.com.